Tips number 1.
Start with easy trails. Begin with well-marked, shorter trails to build stamina and confidence. Gradually progress to more challenging hikes as you gain experience.
Tips number 2.
Proper gear is key. Invest in sturdy hiking boots, weather-appropriate clothing, and a comfortable backpack. Don't forget essentials like water, a map, sunscreen, and a first aid kit.
Tips number 3.
Plan and inform. Research the trail beforehand, noting its difficulty and length. Inform someone about your plans and expected return time. This ensures safety in case of any unexpected situations.
Tips number 4.
Stay hydrated and energized. Carry sufficient water and energy-boosting snacks. Stay hydrated to maintain energy levels, especially on longer hikes or in warmer weather.
Tips number 5.
Leave no trace. Respect nature by following the leave no trace principles. Pack out all your trash, stay on designated trails, and avoid disturbing wildlife. This helps preserve the beauty of the outdoors for everyone.